In this video, I'm going to show you how to make animated videos with Dola AI. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to open your Dola AI app, and then you want to tap on the plus create button at the bottom middle. And then from here, you want to switch from image to video up top. Now, when you do this, as you can see, you can select a few things. Of course, we're going to be making an animated video right now, so you can select a reference image if you had something in mind. And of course, if you don't have a reference image, it doesn't matter because you can just type in the video we want and it's going to work too. So we're going to take a reference over here. It's going to be this cat over here. I'm going to tap on it and tap on next at the bottom right. Now from here, what I'm going to do is select the model. You can do one or two, whichever one you want. And then of course you can select the aspect ratio, but if you have selected a reference image, then you won't be able to select the ratio, okay? Now, mind you, you can also add multiple images down here. So of course, if you tap on the big plus button, you can add multiple if you wanna. And then you have the duration, so we have 5 or 10 seconds. I'm gonna leave it as 5 seconds right now, and to actually make animated videos, all you have to do is describe the animated video you want. So I'm going to type in animated video of a cat playing with a ball, okay? Under the rainbow, okay, under the rainbow, like this, because you can see on the image we have a cat under the rainbow. So now we want an animated video. Of course, we put in a reference. I wouldn't have to, I could do it either way. And now I could just tap on the arrow up button on the very right of my chat box, and that's going to basically trigger this prompt, and there you go, it's going to start generating. There we go. So now it says it's going to create an animated video for me, exactly of the scene I described. So we're just gonna have to wait 1 to 3 minutes, and I'll hop back when it's done. Okay, there we go. As you can see, the video has been generated, and if I now play it for you, it's exactly that. So this cat over here is playing with like a starry ball under a rainbow, okay? So exactly what I wanted. Now, of course, if you wanted to make it longer, you could go and take this video and like make it into 10 seconds, the way you were able to see earlier, because of course, you can do 10 seconds as well. And of course, you can then take a separate image or like just start from beginning, and of course, go and create more videos and then stitch them together in a different app. So that's how to make animated videos with Dola AI. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.